I got to ask this question. What's the quickest and easiest way to share a Google Doc with someone else? Well, here we go. So I'm going to go to a Google Doc. Let's see if I go to my drive, go to Docs. There's a Google Doc right there. Simple Google Doc. What's the easiest way to share it? Click right here on the share button up here, or go over here and click on the share button right there, either one. And you can put an email address in there if I want to share it directly with an individual. Or the quickest and easiest way to do it is anyone with a link. Copy a link, hit done, email them, text them, put that link somewhere where they can get a hold of it real quickly. You're done. That is the easiest and quickest way to share a Google Doc. And if you shared it and you realize you don't want to share it anymore, go back, hit the icon right there, change this right here to be restricted, hit done, and now it's no longer shared with anybody. The quickest and easiest way to share a Google Doc is click on the doc, click the share button right there, make that any one of the link, copy the link and hit done. Boom, it's shared. Put that link anywhere you want. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace guy. I hope this is helpful for you. By the way, safety note, you better make sure you know who you're sharing that link with, and then they don't give access to the wrong people. So you just be very deliberate. Quick and easy is not always the safest.